What's up guys, Aiden Smith here with the Cabinet Coating Kings team. I'm going to be taking you through a project that we're doing in Central Florida, interior painting and cabinet painting, so come on in. So right in here we have a large foyer that we're going to be doing, and then on the sides you guys can see we're doing cabinets right now as well. So we're going to be doing the whole shebang, ceiling, walls, trim, and the customer wanted one color for everything. So we're going to be using Benjamin Moore White Dove. Ceiling is going to be flat, so it's going to help with the low lighting. Walls are going to be satin, which means it's going to be wipeable but durable. And then the trim and the doors are going to be semi-gloss, super durable. So coming on in here, we pretty much have this area wrapped up. We have some texture that we matched. We're taking everything, every little detail, we're making sure it's done perfectly. Especially an older house, we have a couple repairs that we needed to address. So our team came in and made everything look really nice. So over here, we're actively working in this area, which is the hallway. And you can see we're covering all the floors, covering all the hardware on the doors and making sure that nothing gets on your floors. So that when we're spraying, obviously we don't make a mess. And then in here, if you want to walk in here, we have our cabinet team going ahead and spraying the cabinets, all right? So we have a large set. We already primed and we're applying the first coat at this point. We're taking Bondo, covering any imperfections and fixing everything about it so you guys can have the best finish possible. So whether it be cabinet painting, interior painting, or exterior painting, reach out to the Cabinet Coating Kings team. We're gonna take care of you.